Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on VIVO X300 Pro. Okay, first let's open up our settings and let's get access into developer options because we can change a few things there. Scroll all the way down, click on About Phone, scroll a little bit more to the downside, click on Version Info and find Software Version. Now we need to tap on this a few times in a row until we see that we are a developer. Now go back into System Management and the last option is Developer Options. So now enable it, click on OK, and now scroll down until you find 4 options. I'll show you which one. Okay, we have Animated Duration Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and the Window Animation Scale. As you can see, all 3 of them are currently set on 1x, but to boost the performance, we can select all 3 of them. We can turn them off or at least put them on 0.5. For me, a perfect balance between 1x and off is, of course, 0.5, because we will still have our animations, but our phone will work a little bit faster. So that's my preset, that's how I'm going to select it. Now let's scroll down a little bit more until we find apps and background process limit. Currently it's set on the standard, but we can put it on at most 3 processes or at most 4 processes. It's up to you which mode you want. In my case, I'll put at most 3. Okay, now we can go back and from here let's scroll to the upside a little bit more and click on apps. Now click on App Manager. And in here, simply, if you have some apps that you are not using, you can uninstall them because they're only taking your storage space away, and that might be the problem why your device isn't working fast and with good performance. But remember that some of those apps are system apps and uninstalling them is unavailable. And also don't try to force stop them because something bad might happen. But for example, we have the Netflix right in here. That's not the software app. So we can uninstall it. Click on OK, boom, and we get some storage space. If you want, you can also uninstall the apps from the level of your home screen. It's much faster way. So let's say I'm not using the TikTok, so all I need to do is to hold and then click on that bin icon to uninstall your app. But let's get back into App Manager, because in certain apps we have possibility to clear the cache. In my case, I think that will be available in Google Chrome. That's my browser that I'm using every day. And now click on the storage. And in here we have possibility to clear the cache. As you can see, I have 1100 cache stacked and I can clear it. Don't worry, it's not your personal data or anything, and clearing that won't delete any of your data. So don't worry, clearing cache is fine. So that's the thing that you can do from time to time. Okay, now we can go back into the settings and let's click on RAM and storage and we can perform a space cleanup. Okay, in here we have junk files, 150 megabytes, so let's clean them up, boom, and we also get some free storage space. Really useful. We also have the app cleanup, and here we have suggestions which app you can clear or uninstall to also get some free storage space. Okay, down below we have the RAM, and if you want, you can enable the extended RAM. Dynamically extend RAM up to 16 gigabytes using some storage. Thanks to that we have more RAM, our device will be working with the best performance. So I highly recommend turning that feature. We can now go into our home screen and let's open up the iManager, because in here you can also click on the optimize button. In my case, it's on the max level, but from time to time you can perform that cleanup right in here, then click on done. And we also have cleaned some junk files and our device is now working with its best performance. Down below we have space cleanup also. That's much faster way to open it up than going into the settings, just like I was showing you before. During day-to-day use, I'm sure that you have a lot of apps opened in the background, and closing them up also can free up our RAM, and our device will work faster. To do it, open up your recent apps, and if you have a lot of apps opened in the background, simply manually close them, just like that. Okay, and the last thing is performing a reboot from time to time, for example, once a week, because during that process our phone rests for a moment, the RAM also gets freed up, and it can help with the performance and the lifespan of our device. To perform a reboot, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now grab this bar in the middle, swipe it to the right side and release your finger. As you can see now, the VIVO logo disappeared, our phone has been turned off, and now all we need to do is to wait a few seconds until our device is turned on. It will be done automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.